Om Shri Dhanvantare Namaha. Hello everyone. In this video, I will try to throw light on a unique concept of Suvarnaprashan, which is mentioned in the pediatric Ayurveda branch known as Kaumar Bhritya. The father of Ayurveda pediatric, Acharya Kashyap, in his Kashyap Samhita book in 6th century writes about this unique concept of Suvarnaprashan. Nowadays, this has gained a popularity and more parents are coming and administering Suvarnaprashan to their child. But along with this, there are few myths or wrong concepts or wrong information in the parent's mind, which is either created by unregistered Ayurveda practitioners or so-called social media doctors or misleading advertisement, which is creating confusion in the parent's mind. So let us discuss the scientific explanation of Suvarnaprashan as mentioned in the Ayurveda classics, so that these confusions will be clear from the parent's mind and then they can take the benefit of this divine procedure. So what is Suvarnaprashan? So Suvarnaprashan is a medication or formulation which contains nanoparticles of the gold in the easily absorbable form or other lehan dravyas which are administered along with the pure honey and ghee on a regular basis to the child. From what age it should be started? So by considering the references from the Ayurveda neonatology, it is first time mentioned for the Jatakarma Samskar, which is done just after the birth. And by considering the Balyavastha till 16 years of age, Suvarnaprashan can be given from birth to 16 years. So what are the indication and what are the contraindication of this Suvarnaprashan? First we will discuss about indication of Suvarnaprashan. So first point you have to focus about indication is that it is used for the preventive aspect. That means for the maintenance of positive health of your child. Second thing, whenever the child is suffering from Vata and Pitta type of disorders. The child who is having problems like constipation or loss of sleep or the psychological problem, it can be given. The children who are not getting sufficient amount of breast milk and in the malnourished children, it can be indicated. So coming towards the contraindication, it should not be given to the children who are suffering from acute phase of infections such as cough, cold or fever and diarrhea. So what are the benefits of Suvarnaprashan? So main benefits include it improves appetite, it enhances the intellectual capacity, it prevents from different infections and diseases, it improves the strength of the child, it increases the lifespan of the child by increasing the immunity. So overall it is helpful for the normal growth and development of the child. Now these different benefits are as per the different age of that particular child. Any side effect of this Suvarnaprashan? Certainly my answer will be no. But when this is administered only through registered and qualified Ayurveda practitioner who are having knowledge about the same. And second point, it is prepared as per the guidelines from the classics. Now there are different myths or wrong concepts in the society that metallic preparations of Ayurveda are nephrotoxic or hepatotoxic, but it is not so, because whenever the medicine is prepared from the scientific method, it undergoes various purification and filtration procedure, and that is available in the absorbable form, which is useful for the body. So definitely whenever such type of medicines are prepared by following scientific guidelines, they are not at all harmful to our body. Are there any clinical trials or research work done on Suvarnaprashan? Yes. So from various national institutes and research centers of Ayurveda, various randomized clinical trials are already done on Suvarnaprashan, and which proves its safety and efficacy in the children. The specific areas where it has been studied, like recurrent respiratory tract infection, immunomodulation, cognitive improvement, in this area it has shown promising results. If we see the statistics from the state of Goa, almost 8 to 10,000 children are taking benefit of Suvarnaprashan every month. So I would suggest every parent to take the benefit of the Suvarnaprashan by visiting your nearby registered and qualified Ayurveda practitioner who is having the knowledge about the Suvarnaprashan, who is knowing the indication and contraindication of Suvarnaprashan, who have prepared the Suvarnaprashan by following the scientific guidelines of Ayurveda, so that you will be getting the desirable effect of the same. So let's keep your child healthy. Thank you.